Okay, let me explain. With a young synchron on the field, I tried to summon. Here. Now, happily, it's faked. Special summon as a frog. His, his first effect is negated because young synchron work like that. And then I try to apply the second effect of swap frog. And it's a cost. I can back the swap frog to my hand. Okay? It's a cost. A cost.